We're doing another first today, cold smoking cheese. Now you can do this on any kind of a grill or smoker, it doesn't really matter. We saw Tango Joe do this over at the Tango Joe channel. I'll put a link down below for that. So I'm going to smoke 5-6 different kinds of cheeses today, and we're going to use apple pellets. And I got my toothpick system here so I remember what's what. Here I've got some sharp provolone. I got some yellow cheddar. Obviously the whole is some Swiss. Here I've got, is it pronounced Gruyere? And then we have some Gouda. And here we have some mozzarella. I learned about this device over at Tango Joe's channel, and I'll put a link down in below. It's called the Amazin'. It's smoking products. What it is, you can see it's this, I don't know, I'll call it a basket for lack of better words. And the way it works, you use pellets, okay? So you put these pellets in here. I read the instructions when I got this guy. I haven't used it yet, a few days ago. I think it said if you fill all 3 chambers up, it'll go 5 hours, I believe. We're not going to need 5 hours, but it's my first time, so I don't want to have to mess with anything. Okay. Get these pellets all leveled out. Okay. And then there's a little hole right here. Hope you can see that. Now the instructions say use a torch for 45 seconds on this little hole in the end. And then you want to let it go for 10 minutes. And again, the instructions say do not rush this particular step. So I let this go 10 minutes, put the lid down on my grill, and now you can see we've got that nice smoke coming out. We're going to get the cheese on, okay? Now, just want to keep this below 90 degrees, right? We don't want any cheese melting. So I'm just going to try to get it all on this side, and you'll see I've got the flame over there. Trying to get all our cheese on here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about right there. Let's move this around like so. There we got it. We're going to get the lid on this guy. I'm going to let it go a minimum of 2.5 hours. I'll check on it in 2.5 hours, and then we'll make a decision from there. Okay, it's been 2.5 hours. You can see we have that nice light smoke going. And then down here you can see our temperature. I hope you can see that, 81 degrees. Now, I don't think I mentioned this earlier. You want to make sure you keep the inside of your grill, smoker, whatever you're using, less than 90 degrees. Why? Because you don't want your cheese to melt. So the thing here is make sure you choose a cool day. Even though I'm in Florida, it's only about 70 today. Of course, it's January, so I'm not complaining. But let's take a look at that cheese. Here's our cheese. You can see we've only burned, I don't know, that's 8 inches there. We've only burned about 4 or 5 inches of this, so you could really do a long day smoke. Is it ready? I don't know. Well, I think what I'm going to do, I mean, I've read online, some people say smoke it 2 hours, some people say smoke it 5 hours, some people say if you smoke it over 3.5, it starts to get a little strong. It's been 2.5 hours. I'm going to let it go 30 more minutes, and then we're going to pull it off. All right, our other 30 minutes are over. We're going to get this cheese off here. We're going to let it cool down, and after it's cooled down, I'll show you what we'll do after that. Okay. Now, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it looks like there's water on the top here, moisture. Look, if you want to know the science, go read it. I was reading online, some sort of milk fat stuff coming to the surface. It's perfectly normal and expected. And I'm certainly glad we marked this cheese because it all has a very similar color now. Okay. Of course, that's our cheddar there, looking good. All right, I'm just going to take a paper towel. Can you see that oil that's come to the top? I'm going to wipe that off on each piece. All right, just the tops. I'm not going to worry about. I don't think it's anywhere else. And then the thing with smoked cheese, right, is you need to let it age. So what I'm going to do to finish this video is I'm going to vacuum seal each piece separately. Put them in the fridge, and then in 1 week I'll pick this video back up and we'll do a taste, and then I'm going to try not to eat it all, and we'll do another taste in 2 weeks. Everything I've read says the longer you let it go, the better. So we'll try to, sample a couple pieces a couple weeks apart and see if we can tell a difference the longer it ages. Hey, we're back to sample the smoked cheese. I've got my daughter, Brienne, here. And it's actually been 3 weeks. I know when I made the video, I told you we'd seal it up, and we'd try it in a week, and we'd try it in 2 weeks. But I forgot that in 1 week we were going to get the new family member. This is Sadie. And then I forgot that puppies are a lot of work. So we couldn't finish this video last week either. So we're here 3 weeks later, and we're going to try the smoked cheese. You like provolone, right? Okay. So the first one we're going to try here is the smoked provolone. And if you Google smoked cheese, it'll tell you the longer you can let it go, the better it will be. I don't know if that's true, but we're going to find out what it tastes like after 3 weeks. I hope they can see that in the video. Let me just cut a piece off this way. Okay. We've all seen what cheese looks like, so it's cheese. Okay. And we're each going to give this a taste. You're not going to give Sadie any, right? Yeah, you can put her down. So we're going to give this a try. Oh, smoky. I think it's pretty good. Provolone is kind of a strong cheese. So it's got the, obviously got the provolone, but then it's got a good smoke flavor. What do you think? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. She's still building her vocabulary. She can just say, Okay. So that's the provolone. So what's your favorite? Do you like mozzarella? Do you like Swiss? Do you like Gouda? Mozzarella? Okay. So next we're going to do, ooh, I'm still getting a nice smoky flavor. I'm digging it. We're going to try the mozzarella. And every one of these we try, we're going to have to put back in the fridge later. But maybe I'll make some recipes out of some of this stuff. Here's what the mozzarella looks like. Okay. There you go. There's a piece for you. This is what you eat on spaghetti, right? Mozzarella?
Parmesan's mozzarella.
Oh.
Parmesan's on spaghetti.
What do you eat mozzarella? Well, this is really mild, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. This is in fried cheese.
It's what?
In fried cheese.
Fried cheese is what mozzarella is?
Mozzarella sticks.
I don't taste a lot of smoke on the mozzarella, do you? No? Huh? It's really mild. The provolone, the first one had a lot of smoke, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think? Okay. What do you think about this one? Yay or nay?
It was good. Yeah.
Good? Okay. So, we have, I know you're not a big cheddar fan. So we have Swiss, how do you say that? Gruyere? Gruyere? I don't know.
Never seen that before.
Everybody has smoked Gouda. You can get that at the grocery store. Let's try the smoked Gouda. You need some water and I need some wine. What's Sadie doing now?
Shut there.
Yeah. So my new AM wake up time with Sadie is 5:50. That's what time we get up now. Okay. We said this was Gouda. Gouda. Okay. Alright, get you a piece, kiddo. Did you hear that? What is that dog doing? Ooh, this is my favorite so far.
I like this one.
No, the smoked Gouda is awesome. Now, I think the smoke on all of these, except the first one. What was the first one? The provolone, right? And in fact, it's sharp provolone. I think it had more of a heavy smoke. These two were a light smoke. What's your opinion? That's your opinion? Okay. All right. So I'm not going to make everybody watch every single one of these because there's too many. But I want to try the Gruyere. Is that how you say it? We said we don't know how to say it. If we're not saying it right, you can tell us in the comments. But Brianna's never had Gruyere, whatever it is, so we're going to try that, and then we'll wrap this video up. Because we got to find out what Sadie the puppy's doing. I can hear stuff in the background and can't see it.
She's trying to get bugs.
She's trying to eat bugs?
Yeah.
What kind of a dog eats bugs? Okay. This is the one that you can't say, but I can say it. Oh, that's my number 2 favorite. Right behind the smoked Gouda. I really like that. What do you think? What's your favorite? You don't like it? Well, that's okay. You don't have to like it. Okay, I lied. Let's try the Swiss too.
Oh my goodness.
But I think the Gruyere, or however you say it, I think it's good. I'm going to have to spend a half hour sealing these guys back up. Okay, and just to recap, right? All we did was we took that little metal what's it called?
Basket?
We got the amazing basket. We filled it up with some apple pellets. Put this on the grill. You don't light the grill, you just light the pellets. And it cold smokes it. I can see I'm going to be making some jalapeno poppers and all kinds of recipes in the next few weeks that use cheese. Alright, what's this one? Swiss. Smoked Swiss. Ooh. I like this one too. Yep, I like this one. What do you think? You don't like it as much?
Mm.
Well, tell them you don't like it. Do you like regular Swiss cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah? You just don't like it smoked?
Yeah, it just kind of tastes like sour.
Sour?
Yeah.
I don't taste that. Okay. Alright, so there you have it. She doesn't like the Swiss, and she doesn't like the Gruyere, or however you say it. The other ones were a go. Provolone was our favorite.
Gouda was our favorite.
Oh, Gouda, I'm sorry. That's right. She's right. Gouda was our favorite. And then we got the Cheddar one, but I got to tell you, I'm not going to open it up today. So you can see this cold smoking is really, really easy if you like smoked cheese. I would say other than the very first one we tasted, the smoke is mild, definitely not overpowering. If you want a heavy smoke, then you'll want to go longer on the smoke process than I did. Thank you so much for watching another one of our videos. Thank you for helping me taste the cheese. Hope you hit that armadillo pepper icon if you're not a subscriber already. If you've got any questions or comments about this video, just leave them in the comment section below.